Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS receipt backend report application. It helps you to print the POS receipts directly from the Odoo backend. You can easily generate the PDF receipts from POS orders and send them to customers via email with the attached receipt. A simple and efficient tool for the backend POS management. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the point of sale module, and under the orders I'm selecting the orders, and now I'm just selecting this send by email button. So here you can see the POS order receipt is successfully fetched, and now I'm just going to send the same. So here in the chatter, you can see the mail is delivered to the customer. If you want to check the same, you just have to navigate to the settings, and under the technical, you will find one option for the emails. So here you can see the email is sent successfully to the customer. After that, if you want to print the same order, you just have to click on this action button and you have to click on this POS receipt. So here you can see the receipt is successfully generated in the backend for the POS. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Browse Info's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.